Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. This day I'm going to do some ficus cuttings, but as you can see I had some microphone troubles, so my voice is not going to match up with my lips on this one. These are tiger bark ficus cuttings that I took quite a while ago. I was potting them up to sell at the Japanese festival here in St. Louis. The Bonsai Society has a booth at the Japanese festival every year, and this year I sold quite a few of these ficus cuttings, just separating the roots, getting them ready to go. I didn't really work the roots too much. This is one that was a fusion that I worked on. It was two tiny cuttings that I put together for about 4 months. And you'll be able to see here that they fused pretty well. There's even biting in because they swelled so much. You'll see that one later. This first cutting I'm gonna raking out the roots here, just getting them nice and flat, trimming them down small to fit in these tiny pots. I'm gonna turn this one into a semi-cascade. It's got a nice root base. These pots are all pots I made here at Classy Bonsai. I ended up selling all of these at the Japanese festival. They all sold pretty well, pretty fast from what I hear, using akadama and then this mix of akadama and pumice that they were growing in originally. You can see I've trimmed quite a bit of the roots off. These ficus all did really well after this. I don't know how they're doing in their new homes, but they did well while they were here. I had them for about a month after I did this before I sold them. This was in August when I did this. Wire is always a problem for me. I'm still getting good at it. I'm not good at it, I should say. I'm still getting better at it. Right here, what you're seeing is like my third time of remembering to put wire in the pot. I always put the trees in, get the soil in and everything, and go, oh man, I forgot to put wire in the pot. And this day I actually did it right a couple times, from what I remember. This is just me wiring it up. Right now I'm just wiring it down into the pot so it doesn't go anywhere. Now I'm actually wiring the trunk so I can put some movement in this thing. I pretty much wired it all the way to the end because I'm really going to bend this thing pretty good, as you'll see here in just a second. And there it is. Bending it down into that semi-cascade form. Spreading out branches. I'll probably clip some of this off. I really like tiger bark ficus. It's a fun tree. Here in Missouri, you have to protect it in the winter. It has to come inside. I have a little indoor greenhouse. I grow them all winter. I don't let them slow down. They go under lights, a fan, they stay watered, they stay humid, they grow well for me here. But you have to have an indoor space to grow them. Clipping off some of that growth I don't need here. Get this one ready to go. And we'll move on to the next one. Okay, I got a bunch of the tiger bark ficus repotted. This one I'm probably going to keep because I like it. Here's some for sale. There's the big willow leaf ficus. Here's some little mommy pots that I'm gonna sell, maybe. And those I'll sell. It's those. I posted a video not long ago called the Ugly Ficus, and I took a bunch of cuttings from that Ugly Ficus. I'm going to take a look at them now because they're doing well, and then I'm going to pot some of them up separately. Here are the cuttings. I already took them out. As you can see, they're rooted pretty well. That one's pretty cool. It was like a big branch. They're rooted. They're all pretty good sized branches. It's got some cool shape to it. This one's got a wild aerial root. Yeah. Oh, I had a lot of microphone trouble on this day. This thing kept cutting in and out. One thing would lose charge and the other, but here are the cuttings from the Ugly Ficus. Some of them were really fat cuttings, and some of them were 3/4 of an inch around, and they rooted, and they look pretty cool. Some of them actually look cooler than what's left of the trunk. I'm just potting these up real quick. I didn't sell these at the Japanese festival because I like them. I think they're going to be really cool one day, so I kept them. I still have them here. If they don't turn out cool and I decide they're not worth my time, and they will get sold next year at the Japanese festival. We're just potting them up. This thing here, these are little rice bowls that I got at the thrift store a few years back and drilled holes in. They're kind of cool. They're plastic, like ramen bowls or something. They have feet on the bottom of them and everything. They're pretty neat. You can find them cheap. They make really good water. These things in a little bit. There's a tiny amount of fertilizer in this water. And I mean, they're tracing out. Here they are, all potted up and getting ready to grow. These ones are all rooted. These aren't actual cuttings. These are things that have been rooted for a while. I'm not sure what kind of ficus this is. Maybe somebody told me they think it's like a burnt davy eye or green island. Strange leaves. Cool bark. That's a tiger bark ficus cutting there, that little one in front that's not in focus. But thanks for watching. If you made it this far through my voiceover and microphone issues, then go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.